Now here's how you're going to see the history of downloaded apps on your iPhone. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you never miss anything important. So just locate the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will go to your account section. And you now have two options. You can either go to the purchase history where you need to change and set up the filters. So it can be like custom, last year, 30 days, whatever, and then choose the cost. So you can see the history of free downloads as well as paid, right? You can also choose like in-app purchases and subscriptions and like apps, games, whatever. And when you apply these filters, you'll be able to see what are the things which you purchased even for free on the iPhone. But you can also go to the apps section right there, click on your apps, and this is going to show the list of every single app you have ever installed through this account. And if it's not on your phone or it has been downloaded somewhere else, you can click on a not on this iPhone and you'll see the additional list. So that's it from me. Let me know below in the comments if it worked. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and I'm going to catch you later.